How to insert Google Sheets into Google Docs. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Sheets. In here, simply select the part you want to insert in Google Docs. After you select it, press on Ctrl+C to copy it, then open Google Docs. In Google Docs, simply press Ctrl+V, which is the paste option. In here, click on Link to Spreadsheet or just paste unlinked. Select the option you want and then it will be pasted in this way. From here, you can also edit it in Google Docs. If it's linked, it will be same in another sheet as well. This is how to insert Google Sheets into Google Docs. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.